Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2006 Suzuki Hayabusa 1300 cc's of fuel injected space shuttle type performance. Only 29,000 miles on this gorgeous metallic black and red Hayabusa. It's got the smoke windscreen. It's got the rear seat hub. Awesome sounding pipes. Brand new tires, brand new fork seals. This is the one you've been waiting for. Come on by. Make your Hayabusa dreams come true for just $79.99. This thing is gorgeous. Sounds awesome too. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.